You have conquered numerous challenges this year, my love, but I have never left your side. The stadium is teeming with conjecture on contamination, deficiency, and famine, but I am broadening my eye, have securely embraced you and your loved ones in my everlasting affection. Listen to the 3 words resonating in your soul as they enter my body. Possess tremendous influence and leave an indelible mark on your spirit, alleviating whatever pain you may be experiencing. Would you be interested in obtaining them? If so, please believe me and tell me that it will be easy for you. Have trust without the complexities of formulas and regulations, as pure and uncomplicated as a mustard seed. Even when you don't feel like it, I, the Lord, can work miracles through the strength of your faith. When you wake up to gloomy predictions of hard times, trust me, since it's genuine, that my guardian angels are unable to instantly alleviate the industry's current predicament. Redemption is on its way to you as I prepare to make my way across the world. Stunning physical look. I am totally alone because no one else is just like me. Affectionately oversee your petitions, even as the most powerful king enthroned. I will show you the way, even though many have sought to emulate my strength by calling upon me. May the guardian angels assist you in responding to your prayer warriors, fortifying their determination to ease your journey. Stand firm in your light, the most effective among you, with your lamp burning and your cup filled with oil. Are ever vigilant, they will hear the horn hoist, and they will be set free from this world restraints in the days preceding your heavenly choir audition and final mission. Class time and a fresh chapter brimming with marvels that encompass limitless good fortune are on the horizon. Miraculous marvels and everlasting presence that persist regardless of the state of the industry. I assure you that no matter what happens, you will never have to worry about anything else. Moreover, my kids are in for a thrilling on this day of victory. I will be here to help you, heal you, protect you, and maintain you. I hope this message finds you and the people you care about in a state of complete calm and safety. May the wounds of this world fade away as a result of your unwavering trust in me, which will lead to your triumph. You may still see my disappointment because she continues to place her confidence in empty promises. Even though too am the sole rock in this world, my love is more powerful than my generosity, and my words have the power to mend wounded hearts. Heart, alleviate your sorrow, and put an end to the strain of remembering individuals who have deceived you and brought you dishonor. As you restore your spirit and surrender your soul to my will, the numbers will go down. Paramount importance. I am available to assist you in re-establishing your aspirations and providing on the winds of change. I will whisk you away to uncharted territories, where you will soar to new heights. The highest heights we've ever thought of, rejection of opportunities, and efforts to choke you with guilt and tarnish their attempt to pull you down included destroying your dignity and taking away the value I had, all in an effort to devalue you. I am the one who has divinely assigned you, and your worth exceeds what they ought to have allotted you. A season of pious bewilderment during which your faith was strengthened. That is, any advent regardless of the emergence of legions. You will not give in to those who would mislead you or harm you. Once more, you can rest assured that you will be safe from harm because you no longer rely on weak people who control your life and emotions, yet you put your faith in me. These are please do not share these with anybody else. They are confidential. From this moment on, I shall sever any ties that bind your spirit to the people who have lied to you. And you must learn to serve God. I promise to cherish your presence with all my being since it means the world to me. Grant you everlasting lives. Resist the temptation to believe in empty promises of eternal happiness and unfaltering devotion. Experience the profound love I have for you as you learn more about my background. You are my darling lamb, Belle, and I will locate you no matter where you go. If you perceive danger, you will confront AI, fiercely protect and defend the people I care about, consuming fire in the face of any danger I perceive. As you release your grip on pain and affirm your faith, you will feel an overwhelming sense of joy. Conversing with me facilitates recovery from anxiety, depression, and aiming in my presence will empower you to confront these difficulties directly, overcoming the lack of serenity that has been plaguing you. Having a chat with me is all that's needed, so do it immediately after you've taken in what I've said. Confidence. Set aside all other distractions and give me your full attention. And trust that I can multiply your gifts tenfold for each moment we spend together. When you truly, if you breathe in my way, I will extend your life by a long time, and I may alleviate your pain with every encouraging word you utter. Joy, wisdom, and a steady course are the blessings I will shower upon you as soon as the clouds separate, and if you will merely turn from your sins, I am prepared to surround you with my holy aura. I will make it plain to anyone who asks me to stop loving you because you are my son and daughter. Have you ever wondered if anyone else is seeking a miracle? You could be the one to get my miraculous energy, will lead them to the authentic me that they hold in high esteem. The happiness I bring is boundless and unwavering, and it flourishes in the wilderness, especially in the middle of storms, motivates you to persevere through difficult battles, even when you're completely drained. There's no need to let go of the pride and happiness that comes with achieving your goals. The choice is ultimately yours, whether you trust this guarantee or not. This profound joy is unaffected by the actions of others or market fluctuations. Each morning as you cheerfully rise, your spirit kisses you, and you trust in your decisions. I am here, wrapping you in a delightful, sweet, soft delight, as the brilliance of morning kisses your cheek. Stay quiet, your expressions and the rhythms of your heart are masterful, my dear. Your heavenly Father hears them, and I command you to be unwavering in the love it gives you, irrespective of your emotional state. Speak to the one who loves you and desires nothing more than to see you and spend the morning with you. Declare these words from the depths of your being and let them to settle in. My mighty and loving God has always loved me, and that will never change. You will always be in my thoughts, and I am putting your faith to the test as we speak. While also fortifying your soul and surrounding you with my sanctifying presence. As a young person, you are preparing to be a part of a technological revolution that will bring about wonderful, miraculous changes in the world. As long as you are the one who trusts in me, I will make all things feasible for you, and nothing can erase your life's record. Takes advantage of other people, I deliberately eliminate their emotions, and it will show in every smart action you make. You developed a pessimistic view on life because you internalized feelings of rejection and powerlessness. Worries and uncertainties. Since the day you entered this world, I have held you in my arms. How can I ever part ways with someone whom I hold in the utmost esteem and who I cherish so much? No amount of accusations can convince me to abandon you. Not when I care profoundly about you and have numerous rewards prepared for you. When you feel uncertain about anything and express your thoughts and feelings with a tinge of doubt, it doesn't mean my love for you. My love for you is unwavering, and no one should have to endure unnecessary suffering. Release yourself from suffering-inducing unpredictability. If you grant me the opportunity, I can ease melancholy and grief. Conversely, you may avoid catastrophe. Actually, you're going to excel. Many of your issues will vanish, giving way to possibilities, wisdom, and strength. May my love surround you, enveloping you and your loved ones, as you offer me the gift of trust. Enfold you in this boundless love. If you desire my presence to protect you from the raging inferno of suffering, it is not worth your time to let this permanent scar on your soul, all that your opponent has taken from you, including so that I might come back to you stronger and more plentifully. Maintain your composure, and end keeping yourself apprised of the enemy's whereabouts, avoiding thoughts of death and getting agitated or sobbing. I would like to continue this quest we have started, since I like the two of you together. So, please, don't separate us. Vanquished our adversary. My love reverberates through your soul and body, as no matter how difficult things have been, I affirm this to reduce fear and pain, since my words so wonderfully express your soul. Your unfaltering trust in me has become my love for you, which has been constant. It is evident that you are praying with an expectation of miraculous solutions. Have confidence. If you have faith in me, I promise to never disappoint, and that you will discover immense peace. I hope the news I've heard may provide you some solace today. Take a moment to reflect on the fantastic future that I want to offer you, but you need to prioritize yourself and embody the joy and prosperity that I am sending your way. It won't happen overnight. Dump them because you don't think you deserve them, or because you're afraid it will happen too quickly. Don't be fooled into thinking that my love for you can't bring you abundant rewards in this manner. I will change the way you feel and think now that you've finished thinking are not going to remain unchanged. I have the power to reawaken your trust in me, maybe even spark a burning desire to find me and listen to what I have to say every day. You will always think of me whenever we are together, whether we are talking or just hanging out. Be filled with joy to the point where your past setbacks seem like distant memories, inspiring you to move forward. I will choose prosperity and success for your spiritual life, since you are my loving child. As you hold fast to the lovely days to come and listen closely to the secret plans of your adversaries, you and those you care about will enjoy bountiful rewards. I am able to, while you gather everything you need and put your life back together, I will be by your side, helping you to cope with the suffering you've endured. I offer unconditional love and acceptance so that you can rest easy even when faced with seemingly overwhelming challenges. Despite the challenges you're facing, I beg you to think about how much I love you. It is futile to keep my word that I will liberate your mind from fear and anxiety. Discover the liberating power of letting go of your worries and concerns and letting me handle them instead of wasting time and energy on a bleak path. Your crippling fears are bringing you low even when you aren't. I wish you would understand that I intend to shatter this, not hurt you. The grip of dread and anxiety, and guide you toward triumph over your fears. I offer my assistance to come to your rescue when you're drowning in anxiety and doubt, because everything I know has the lives I sacrificed while journeying were not in vain, and I am grateful for that, for it brings you closer to my love and redemption. Without purpose, get ready for 0.33 days of power, because my blood generally keeps me deep within our hearts. There is no longer any separation between us. Similarly, your past and the past no longer hold any sway over us. The ocean's depths as a permanent memorial to the sins for which I have previously made amends. When you can't let go of the ties that formerly held you together, you must not go back to the depths to seek it. Now that you're unbound, you need to question yourself honestly if you still have what it takes to consider all the good things I've done for you and hold yourself accountable for what has transpired in the past. You, my love for you, and the depth of my affection for you, I beg you to stop making accusations and deceitful speech and let us concentrate on the tremendous sacrifice you have made for me. Love is obvious to all, even when you don't feel loved yourself. Even when you're going through tough circumstances, when you feel punished or abandoned, and when you realize that this isn't, reconsider my sentence and refer to it, even if I have forgiven you, because it is no longer true. As long as you move on from it, it's alright, I won't bring it up again. Alright, I'm not a believer in miracles, but I do understand your despair and your conviction that your miracle will never come. Your questions, pain, and sadness will eventually fade away. The extent to which I am capable of loving you, I am here to demonstrate that you are wholly incorrect. In all honesty, I still can't disguise the fact that I admire you, no matter how rejection I sought you out when I was sad and I valued you then, and I will seek you out again. I have blessed you with countless spiritual blessings, and you are just sitting on your hands, falling for people who employ misleading speech. By my side at the moment, so please listen up. It is now your responsibility to seize this divine opportunity message and put it into practice right now. I challenge you to ascend this symbolic staircase. You can either climb it and live a supernatural life, or you can sit and watch other people do it. I warmly welcome you to my presence. May the sacredness of this anointing oil illuminate your thoughts, inspire you, ignite a spark within you, and invite you to join me on the gather behind the banner of unwavering faith and commitment for the fearless road ahead, order to begin this sacred task of proclaiming to the world the ways of a loving God who pursues those who have journeyed and yearned to give their souls to me in my guiding embrace. Embrace the divine force, experience its presence in the here and now, and move forward with assurance. How it transforms you into someone with extraordinary walking abilities. The power of language to quiet tempests and summon the heavenly fire to consume enemies. Heaven's armies will be there to shield you from harm, no matter how dire your situation stands. Pause for a while to think on and be grateful for all the good things in your life. Your opponents may have pushed you to the edge of despair and taken away your joy by threatening your family's money and your own home. Joy, if I hadn't stepped in as your loyal ally, watching out for you round the clock. There will be moments when you question my very existence, yet I am aware of the challenges you endure. Please, don't give up. The acclaim you've been anticipating is on its way. Allow me to input your pay close attention to what I say, because I express it with utmost care, and you will receive the miracles you think are achievable. When you trust me, I will keep my word, no matter how corny it may seem. Secretiveness, I speak my words precisely as I intend them. Give your wealth to I no longer advocate for the construction of enormous palaces, even when no one is in need, and I have no influence over the plight of individuals in need. Now, I urge you to have faith in the will that will enable you to continue helping others. Advantages I provide to you, regardless of how fiscally tight things get, have the potential to arise from the unlikeliest of places. Put an end to your bias and criticism of the people. I've included in your note that I have not advocated for the building of enormous palaces to continue so that others may reap the benefits of my name. No matter how bad things become, I still want you to know that I'm here to bless you and everyone else. That even in times of financial need, the favors I shower upon you are more than enough. These will come from out of nowhere, so put your biases and criticisms of the people I've sent your way to rest. May you find me among the many modest souls who are willing to support, encourage, and uplift you. I have merely discovered you. May our connection deepen, and may my responsibilities as your valued confidant and parent continue unaltered. If there are methods and secrets buried deep within you, you may trust me with all your heart. That I am already aware of them, and I will find them no matter what you do. I have already let your flaws slide. Stay in the here and now, and don't let your mistakes control you. No one here will forget. You have undergone a profound transformation, and I now see you for the person you truly are. Your character has changed. You've turned your emotions into a weapon. I give you the sword of my resurrection as a gift, to use as a weapon of self-punishment.